Good morning, day 2, Mistletoe State Park here in Georgia. Again, on my way to Duke University. If this is a new vlog, welcome back to another light painting video. Jason Page here, staying at Mistletoe State Park. Awesome campsite that I had last night was right here. I light painted right in this little area right here. I made some flowers and orbs and just easy stuff, but it was a cool setup, super easy with the campsite right there. Rainy morning this morning. I'm gonna have to move campsites because I couldn't reserve this one for 2 nights, so I'm moving to another one. Also on the water though, and it looks like I might actually be able to get in the water and light paint tonight there. The rain has stopped. It's probably 11:30, and I'm gonna go see if my new campsite is open over there, and if it is, I'm gonna get set up and then probably go for a bike ride or a hike. There's a bunch of hikes here, and again, if there's anything cool, I will show you what I see. This campsite was number 78, by the way. If you guys are thinking about coming here, campsite 78 is this one that I'm on, and it's really super nice. So there's the trail, but I gotta get across that. Not bad, not bad. How's this spot to light paint here? Who wants to try that one? Walk out on the log and light paint right there? I don't know. I'm at my new campsite. It's here on the water, beautiful. But I thought I was gonna be able to light paint down here in the water tonight. But definitely not good with all the rocks. It's a lot deeper than I thought, so. Alright, so this is where I've decided to light paint here. Got this rock centered up there. I'm going to start by just illuminating that rock. Then I'm going to do one of my light trees there and just a few other things I have in mind. Quick and easy, waiting for it to get dark. Doing one of my illuminated trees using the crystal light pen and the opaque light writer, then the leaf plexiglass and the white light pen for some flares. Lining everything up on the rock, and here we go. that's it for tonight. Got a couple cool ones. Got the tree, came out better than I thought. That first one came out pretty good. Got a couple little silhouette shots as it was going dark. Got a simple one with the rock illuminated with the white color hood. Worked out really cool. Sometimes the simple ones are my favorite ones, really weird. That's gonna wrap it up for tonight. I will let you know where I end up tomorrow. If you like the video, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, until the next video, get out there and get creative.